Okay, so we're setting a header panel. We've got 4, 5 is a footer header combination, so we're creating a window hole. So the guys are applying some foam inside of the header pocket on either side. This is the header panel that's sitting down here on the floor, and that's going to go up, and these tongue ends are going to go inside the pocket on the panel on either side of the window opening.
I got you ladder, but if you fall, I'll try to get you, I promise. Yeah, hold Joey.
Go up, Joey. Go up, Joey. There you go. Now come down.
And there it is, header in place. Now we're going to screw that off on either side where the tongue goes in to make sure it doesn't go anywhere.